Hello dear friends, this is Wael Bashuni, math and physics teacher. In this video I'm going to solve this quiz for week 11 UAE. So let's directly start solving first question. What two conversion factors are used to convert kilometers per hour into meter per second? So to solve this question, let's assume we have any number which is initially kilometer per hour. I want to convert it into meter per second, so I have to multiply it by two conversion factors. Now the first conversion factor must cancel the kilometer and keep the meter, so kilometer must be down and meter must be up. So here I have to put 1, here I have to put 1000, because 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. Like this, we can cancel kilometer and kilometer and keep the meter. The other conversion factor must have hour at the top in order to cancel hour here, and second at the bottom. But now I know that 1 hour is 3600 seconds. So here I have to put 1, and here I have to put 3600. So these are the two correct options. 1000 meter over 1 kilometer, which is this one, and 1 hour over 3600 seconds, which is this one. Question number 2. Underline the name given to a group of well-tested, verified hypotheses about specific aspects of the natural world. Here you have to choose theory. So you have to underline theory. Question number 3. Consider the expression. Choose the correct answer to complete the sentence below. The expression in scientific notation. What is it? So I have to write this in scientific notation. First step, I have 2500 divided by 50 times 0.0001. I write it 10th power of negative 4. So that's first step. Then I cancel 0 and 0, and then 250 divided by 5 is 50. So here I write 50 over 10th power of negative 4. Now you can take 10th power of negative 4 up to the numerator, so you can write it 50 times 10th power of positive 4. Now you can write it 5 times 10 instead of 50 times 10th power of 4, and that will be 5 times 10th power of 5, and the answer will be 5 times 10th power of 5. So where we have this answer here, we have it here, 5 times 10th power of 5. Question number 4. Order chronologically the main steps of the scientific method followed by scientific inquiry, drag and drop. First step, we have make observation. Second step must be ask a question. Then next, we have hypothesis. Then do an experiment. Then draw a conclusion. Number 5, choose the correct answer to complete the sentence below. The value of 540 nanometer is what meter? So here you have to convert 540 nanometer into meter. So you have, we know that 1 meter is equal to 10th power of 9 nanometer. So that's the conversion factor. So this means you have to multiply it by the conversion factor, which will cancel nanometer, so put it down, and will keep the meter, so put it up. So here you have 1 meter up and 10th power of 9 down. So now you can write it 540 times 10th power of negative 9, because when you take this up, you change the sign. and that will be 5.40 times 10 to the power of negative 7. So now let's look at the option. So 5.4 times 10 to the power of negative 7, that's the answer. Question number 6. Choose the correct answer to complete the sentence below. Converting area from centimeter squared into meter squared. How do we do that? Okay, so first step, we know that we have 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. If you square both sides like this, you get 1 meter squared is equal to 10,000 centimeters squared. Now you have 2.45 centimeters squared. We want to convert it into meter squared. We multiply by conversion factor, which will cancel centimeter squared and keep meter squared, which means I have 1 up and 10 to the power of 4 down. Now you can cancel this and this. So what's left over? 2.45 times 10 to the power of negative 4. And that's the answer. So 2.45, then you choose here 10 to the power of minus 4, which is this one. Number 7 now. 7.5 centimeters has how many significant figures? It has 2 significant figures. 7.500, it has 4 significant figures. 0.50, it has 2 significant figures. And 1.2 times 10 to the power of 3, it has 2 significant figures. Number 8 now. The length of an object is measured to be 14.5 centimeters. How many significant figures are there in the measurement? Choose the correct answer. How many significant figures? We have 3 significant figures. Underline the estimated figure and circle the sure figures. Now, the estimated figure here is 5. So I have to underline the estimated and circle the sure. This is sure and this is sure. Question number 9. In a scale, reading the number of the figure of the sure figure included in is the equivalent to the ones read directly out of the scale. So here you have to write scale. The number of the estimated figures, so here estimated, is the only one. All the sure figures plus 1 estimated number represent the significant figures. Significant figures. Okay. Question number 10 now. The two measured quantities, 13.5 centimeters and 4.6 centimeters, are multiplied by each other. How many significant figures should you include in the product? Product means the answer or the result. You should include the number of significant of the fewest significant figures. The fewest here is 2, so here 2 significant figures, which means the result must be 2 significant figures. Question number 11 now. 10,000 divided by 100. You can cancel the zeros directly like this. So the answer is 100, 10 to the power of 2. So n must be 2. Question 12. 44.7 centimeters in meter. Scientific notation, what is it? So 44.7 centimeters. I have to multiply it by conversion factor that will cancel the centimeter. So I put it down. And will keep the meter. So I put it up. I know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Put 100 down and 1 up. Cancel this and this. So what you need to do is to divide 44.7 by 100. So now You can write it. You can move the decimal one place to the left. So here 100 has two zeros. One of the zeros will move the decimal to the left, like this. The other 10, write it 10th power of minus 1. So you get 4.47 times 10th power of negative 1. 4.47 times 10th power of minus 1. This means A must be 4.47 and B must be negative 1. Question number 13. Here you are given two numbers. We want to divide them. I like to put them as a fraction like this in order to make it easy for division. So here you can cancel this and this. You get 2. And if you take 7 up, already we have 10 to the power of 3 times 10 to the power of negative 7. So you get 2 times 10 to the power of negative 4. Question 14. 100 in exponential form is 10 to the power of 2. So here you have to write 2. Question 15. Matching. So here you have to match these numbers. So let's see. This is very easy. So here we add exponents. 3 plus 5 equal 10. And here we add exponents. You get this. And here you add exponents. Minus 3 plus 5, you get 2. So choose this. And here you add exponent minus 2 minus 4, you get minus 6. Question number 16. 10 to the power of negative 4 divided by 10 to the power of 4. So take this up. Take the denominator up. You get 10 to the power of negative 8 times 10 to the power of negative 4. And that will be 10 to the power of negative 12. So here you have negative 12. Now 17. The number 217000 is expressed in scientific notation as, okay, so here you have 217,000, 217,000. In scientific notation, decimal must be after the first digit, which is non-zero. So you get 2.17 times 10 to the power of, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is the answer. Number 18 now. Now, 237 times 10 to the power of 4 in scientific notation, what is it? 237 times 10 to the power of 4. Decimal must be here. This means we have to divide here by 100 to take decimal two places. And then we have to multiply by 100 in order for the question not to change. So 2.37 times 10 to the power of 6. So here 2.37 and here 6. Question 19 now. Convert the following measurements to the nearest whole number. Okay, here you have 10 meter per second. So 10 meter in 1 second. I have to multiply it by two conversion factors that can cancel the second, keep the hour, cancel meter, keep kilometer. So if I want to keep kilometer, kilometer must be up and meter must be down. And here I have to cancel the second. Second must be up, hour must be down. Next, I know that 1 kilometer is 1,000 meter. So here I have to put 1, here 1,000. I know that 1 hour is equal to 3,600 seconds. So here I have to put 1 hour down and up. I have to put up. Let's erase this. I have to put up 3,600. Like this. Like this you can cancel now. Meter and meter. Second and second. So what's left over? You can cancel the zeros. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So the answer will be 36. Question number 20 now. Okay, consider the triangle below having a height of 5 and a base of 3. Fill in the blank to the nearest number of significant figures. The area must be what? We know that area must be base times height over 2. So let's write the formula. Area base times height over 2. So area is equal to 5.00 times base, which is 3.00, divided by 2. And that will be 15 divided by 2, which is 7.5. But our answer must be 3 significant figures. So we must choose 7.50. Question 21, last question. Circle below has radius 5.0, pi is 3.14. What's the area of circle to the correct number of significant figures? Okay, area of circle is equal to pi r squared. So pi is 3.14 times the radius 5.0. So multiply these and get the answer as 2 significant figures. You must choose the answer as 2 significant figures. So here 5 squared. Now the answer will be 78.5 centimeters squared. 78.5. So here you have to choose this option. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I have daily videos. Hopefully you understood everything. Thank you very much indeed for watching.